Tractor Busy, are you reading?
Reading. Mommy, read picture book. Picture book.
You want me to read the book about Piece of Wood?
Look at pull that round.
Oh, did you pull that out?
Yes.
Oh, well, that was a part of the book. What book is that?
Tractor book.
Tractor book.
Oh, Mommy.
What's this book here?
Open book.
Elephant book.
Read it.
Okay, we can read it.
The puppy book. Duck.
What's that one?
Mommy, read it.
Okay, Mommy will read it.
If you want to.
If you want to.
If you want to.
What's this one?
Penguin. Mine says rabbit. Says gooses. Bah. Gooses. Bah.
Yeah.
Gooses. Butterfly says. Zebra says. Zebra says. Whoa. Bird says. Donkey says. Nay.
Hey.
Duck says. Rabbit. Duck says. Quack, quack. Ducky. Owl says. Owl. This is a cow. Moo.
Yes.
Girl says. Moo.
Yes.
Good reading book.
Good reading book.